How do you stay fit and still enjoy the holidays? We'll answer that coming up. You don't need a gym to get in the best shape of your life. So, I'm going to get into 3 tips in order to help you stay fit during the holidays and still enjoy them with your family. Stay till the end and I'll give you a memory trick to remember my 3 tips. Get ready. The first tip is don't be so freaking hard on yourself. Everyone has a mess up now and then, and we're all human. Forgive yourself and get back on track. Tomorrow's a new day, so start fresh and keep going. The second tip is to get that exercise in. Make sure to go for a walk or get out and run or go to the gym. Just do something to be active. The third and final thing is to get that protein into the major building block of virtually every cell and organ system in the body. Get those building blocks, amino acids in. So to make it easier for you guys to remember, I made them the 3 G's. Go easy on yourself, get active, and get enough protein in. Live longer, feel better, and life to your years. Ask me how my Fitness program can help you. If you got any value out of this, be sure to hit that like and subscribe to the channel for more fitness and nutrition advice, as well as staying up to date on everything me. And check out the affiliate links in the description if you want to get fitness equipment. I do receive a small commission from those, but don't worry, it doesn't add anything to your total. I'm giving away my nutrition guide. All I need is your email to send it to, so drop it in the comments.